What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today this might be a short but we're gonna do a little unboxing. So I bought some lights for that mount onto a desk, so like I'll have better lighting hopefully for my videos. And I don't think, hopefully this posts on the 4th of July. I don't have anything ready to post. I was going to, but then a video got blocked, so maybe this will be a video or a short of just an unboxing. I'm a little worried because it's a little damaged up here and a little damaged down here. But let's open it. I'm probably going to open this part off screen because I don't know if like YouTube is going to see my knife and be like, oh my gosh, violence. So open. Let's check this thing out. So it does come in a bag. Bro, look at that. Let's open it. Whoa. Ooh. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh, that's like glass. There's two of them. We get two lights. And there's a pocket right here with all the cords. Ooh, and that remote. I think it comes with a remote. I spent some good amount of money on this. Oh, it comes with the battery too. Oh, dude. Look at that. Hold up, look at this. This is the remote. And the battery slides in like this. Hold up, I'm struggling. Okay, hold up. Okay, I got it. Ooh. Instructions, very important. And then we got this part. Oh, this must be the stands. There's two of them. We'll just open one for now. Whoa. Yo. Ew. Look at that. Sheesh. Oh. Hold up. Let me set one of these up. Ah. Yo, look at that. Wait. That's 100%. But yeah, anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. I have fancy equipment now. Look at me. Look at me go.